So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Okay, so sa video na ito, mas complicated ang ating examples at mas papapractice natin yung natutunan natin sa first part ng PEMDAS. So ano nga ba yung PEMDAS? Okay, so ang PEMDAS is an abbreviation. P stands for parenthesis, pwede rin siyang brackets and braces. E is for exponent. Then M and D is for multiplication or division. Either way, pwedeng magkapalit. Kung sinong mauna, we will solve it from left to right. A and S, which is addition or subtraction, pwede ring magkapalit. At kung sinong mauna, we will solve it from left to right. So for example, we have 18 minus the quantity of 2 squared plus the quantity of 16 divided by 4 times 2. So according to PEMDAS, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses, brackets, and braces. Okay, so in this case, we have brackets and parentheses. Okay, so unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses kasi yun yung parang pinakaloob, okay, na equation dito. So 16 divided by 4, we get 4. Then solve natin yung nasa labas naman at nasa loob ng brackets. So 2 squared, that is 4. So 4 plus 4, and that is 8. Okay. So kopyahin natin yung the rest of the equation. So 18 minus 8 times 2. So according to PEMDAS, unahin natin yung multiplication or division. In this case, we have multiplication. Okay, so 8 times 2, that is 16. So, and then we do the subtraction. Okay, so 18 minus 16, at ang ating final answer is 2. Next example, we have 2 cubed divided by 4 plus the quantity of 2 squared plus 5 divided by 3 times 2. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses. In this case, we have 2 squared plus 5. So that is 2 squared, that is 4, plus 5, and that is 9. Okay. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung the rest ng equation and then also solve the next abbreviation dun sa PEMDAS natin, which is exponents. So 2 cubed is equivalent to 8. Tapos, kopyahin natin the rest of the equation. So 8 divided by 4 plus 9 divided by 3 times 2. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, okay, ang susunod sa exponents is multiplication or division. Okay, so pwedeng magkapalit yung dalawang yon, either multiplication or division, whichever comes first. Okay, and we will be solving from left to right. So dito sa equation natin, nauna yung division. Okay, so division muna yung solve natin. Okay, so 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Tapos, kopyahin natin the rest of our equation. So, 3 times 2. Okay. So, ganun ulit, no? Multiplication or division comes first. In this case, ang sumunod naman natin na equation is 9 divided by 3. So, solve natin yan. 9 divided by 3 is equivalent to 3. So, baba ulit natin yung rest ng equation natin. Okay. So, ang equation na natin ngayon is 2 plus 3 times 2. So, again, according to PEMDAS, mauuna yung multiplication or division. Ngayon, in this case, multiplication na lang yung natitira sa atin. Okay? So, we'll proceed with multiplication. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. And then, according to PEMDAS, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa addition. So, 2 plus 6 is equivalent to 8. And this is our final answer. Okay, next example, we have 8 divided by 2 times the quantity of 6 plus 3 minus 3 cubed plus 7. Okay. So, according to PEMDAS, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses, brackets, or braces. In this case, we have 6 plus 3. Okay, so that is equivalent to 9. And then next is exponents. Okay, so we have 3 cubed dito. So 3 cubed is equivalent to 27. Okay. And then kopyahin natin the rest of the equation. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 times 9 minus 27 plus 7. So, according to PEMDAS, next natin is multiplication or division. Pwedeng magbaliktad yon, pwedeng mauna yung division, or pwedeng mauna yung multiplication, whichever comes first. Okay? Pero dapat, ang solving natin dito is from left to right. Okay? In this case, nauna yung division. So, division muna yung isa-solve natin. So, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Okay? And then, copy natin the rest of the equation. So, 4 times 9 minus 27 plus 7. Okay. So, in this case, meron pa tayong multiplication. So, solve naman natin yung multiplication natin. So, 4 times 9, that is 36. Then, copy the rest of the equation. Okay. So, 36 minus 27 plus 7. So, according to PEMDAS, next naman is addition or subtraction. So, ganun din, okay, whichever comes first, kung sino man yung mauna, pwedeng mauna yung addition, pwedeng mauna yung subtraction. Ang mahalaga, we will be solving it from left to right. Okay, so in this case, nauna naman yung subtraction natin. Okay, so pwede na natin tong isolve. So 36 minus 27, that is 9, plus 7. So pwede na natin i-proceed sa addition. So 9 plus 7, and we have the final answer, which is 16. Okay, our next example, okay, the quantity of 28 minus the quantity of 2 squared times 2 minus 4 times 2 squared plus 2 divided by 6. So, according to PEMDAS, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses, brackets, or braces. In this case, mas mahaba yung equation na nasa loob ng brackets. Okay, so unahin natin tong isolve. Okay, pero mas unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses kasi yun yung mas pinakaloob na equation. Okay, so we have 2 squared times 2, that is 2 squared is equivalent to 4 times 2, and we get 8. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung the rest of the equation inside the bracket. Okay, so 28 minus 8 minus 4 times, so we have 2 squared here. According to PEMDAS, ang next na isi-solve is exponents. Okay, so solve natin tong 2 squared and we get 4 plus 2. Okay, next is multiplication or division according to PEMDAS. So in this case, we have multiplication here, which is 4 times 4. So 4 times 4, that is 16. Tapos, kopyahin natin the rest of the equation. So 28 minus 8 minus 16 plus 2. Okay. So, ngayon naman, let's proceed with addition or subtraction. Okay, so whichever comes first again, okay, pwedeng mauna yung subtraction, pwedeng mauna yung addition. Okay, basta ang importante is isosolve natin siya from left to right. Okay, so in this case, we have 28 minus 8, that is 20, minus 16, that is 4, and then plus 2, that is equivalent to 6. Okay. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung quantity nung nasa loob ng brackets natin, and then we proceed with the equation outside the brackets. Okay, and that is division by 6. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 is equivalent to 1. So, ang final answer natin is 1.